Be careful.
All the days we were together.
Why the
All
fuck
the
did I just do that?
time we were apart of each other's lives, heart to heart.